Budget LS Factory 5 Roadster backorder unboxing coming right up. Interesting story about these 5 boxes. These were sent to the wrong address. These were sent to my old address, and the lady that lives in my old house was kind enough to contact Factory 5. They contacted me. I made sure that they had my current address, which I have received other backorder shipments. Factory 5 had these shipped from my old address to my current address, and I'm pretty thankful for that. Let's get these open. Right, let's see what's in this. Always a lot of paper. Looks like it might be a roll bar. What is this, a Lowe's bag? That is a chrome roll bar. Oh man, look at that. Does that look nice or what? Wow, looks great. Really neat. Man, that's heavy. Oh, well, looks like I got some clearancing to do, that's for sure. That's okay. Well, I suspect this is probably something similar. Let's double check. Boy, it looks really nice. Yeah. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, a lot of goodies. Yeah, fantastic. So that's the upper steering shaft that I needed. Fantastic. These are the brake pads. Woo! Brake pads I needed for the front, some brake hardware. I don't want to get that smashed in there. Here's the springs. These are for the rear. Hopefully they're 350, yep, 350 pounds. So these are for the rear. That's what's been holding me up from building the rear shocks. Yeah, tie rods there. Yeah, both tie rods, but I don't have the steering rack yet. Oh, these are door handles, hood handles and hinges, or I mean hood hinge and and door handle. Nah, not sure what that is. These are just the hood hinges. Yeah, and I guess they lock because there's some keys. Okay. Yeah. Good progress. Well, there's my vinyl dash. There's some paperwork of some backorder stuff. I'm gonna double check what I got. Yeah, this is the dash. I don't think I'm gonna use this though, the padded dash. Because I think the pad is actually a little too thick from what pictures that I've seen. You know? I think that might be a little too thick, but it sure is a nice piece, looks clean. Fantastic. Okay, here's some shocks. These are the front shocks that I've needed. Yep, so those are the springs, 350. Those are the springs for the rear. These are the shocks for the front, and I have the springs for the front. And that concludes this box. All things that I have needed. With these, I'm ready to build the front suspension, provided there's some lower control arms in these other boxes. Heck yeah. I don't have a steering rack because there's no steering racks gonna fit in those boxes. Well, that's okay. Got lots to keep me busy. Oh, clunk, clunk, clunk. Hopefully nothing's breakable in here. Oh yeah. Fantastic. All right. Front lower control arms. Fantastic. Definitely can do the front suspension now. Man, these welds are kind of rough, but it's powder coated. Got that going for me. There's some random hardware. Castle nut. There's some random washers. Okay, hey, I'll take it. Yeah, I'll take it. Good deal. I'm ready to get started. So I gotta go to work for a few days. Front lower controller. Good deal. Yeah, maybe this is more hardware. I don't know. Well, that's the nuts. That goes to the brake. That's a brake clevis. The nut for the front. I have no idea what that hose is for, but I'll check it off on the list. Well, there you go. That's my backorder unboxing. Enough to get me started on the front suspension. Pretty happy about that. I'll take it. Thank you to Factory 5 for fulfilling these backorder shipments. Let me keep working. Just for some motivation. Thanks for watching.